2D shearing. 2D shearing, it is a changing the shape of an object or skewing an image or tilting an image is called shearing in two-dimensional plane. Shearing, there are two different types of version, that is shearing in x-axis and shearing in y-axis. The initial coordinate of an object p of x comma y, shearing parameters towards the x direction shx, shearing parameter towards y direction shy. The new coordinate p dash of x dash comma y dash. First we see the shearing in x-axis. So shearing equation, if it is based on x-axis, then there may be changes in x direction only. So we just retain y as it is, then we make the shearing changes in the x direction. X dash is equal to x plus shx, that is shearing parameter with respect to x dot y. Y dash is equal to y. Now from this formula we derive the matrix. See here x, so we are writing 1. Here shx dot y, so here we are writing shx alone. Then x we have written here. Then y dash is equal to y. So here we have written 0, in y place 1, then y we have written. Again we have to cross check. When we multiply thus x plus y into shx, we obtain the first equation. Next 0 into x, 0 plus 1 into y, then 0 plus y, the y will be the result. Then we have to represent, we can also represent in homogeneous coordinate matrix representation in 3, matrix. See here, we have to write as it is here, this two-dimensional form. Then additionally we are going to add one dimension, so just write 1, remaining place you fill it with 0. Then xy homogeneous coordinate value, we are just placing 1. This is the homogeneous coordinate matrix representation for shearing in x direction. Example for shearing. Already we have seen what is x shearing and the equation and the concerned matrix format. Now we are going to see the example for shearing. Here I have taken example square. Here the square, it includes 4 different coordinates 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2. Here before shearing we have an object square in shape. This object going to be changed in shape after the shearing. Let's see how it is changing. Now we must know the shearing parameter value also. Here it is a x here, so shx is equal to, we are assigning the value 2 unit. So first we are going to take a point 0, 0. So here y dash is equal to y here 0, so y dash also 0. X dash is equal to x, so x here 0 plus shx 2 into y 0, so the result also 0. So 0, 0 becomes 0, 0. Now we are going to next point, that is 0, 2. Here x is 0, y is 2, y dash is equal to y is equal to 2, so y dash is equal to 2, x dash is equal to x here 0 plus shx 2, y 2 into 2 4. So 0, 2 becomes 4, 2. We are going to take a next coordinate 2, 0. Now here x is 2, y is 0. So y dash is equal to y is 0. So y dash is equal to 0. X dash is equal to x becomes 2. So 2 plus shx 2, y 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now 0 comma 2 becomes 2 comma 0. Now we are going to take a last coordinate 2 comma 2. Here y dash is equal to 2, x dash is equal to x 2 plus sh x also 2, y also 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now 2 comma 2 becomes 6 comma 2. Now let's we plot all the 4 coordinates in the diagram. See here 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0, next 4 comma 2, next 6 comma 2. Here the square becomes the skewing image we have been obtained. This is the diagram we obtained after shearing. With respect to x-axis. Shearing in y direction. So let's we start write a shearing equation. So now the changes made in y dash. So we just retain x as it is. X dash is equal to x. Y dash is equal to y plus sh with respect to y. Shy is the shearing parameter into x. So this is the shearing equation for y axis. In matrix form, let's we write x dash y dash. Here x is 1. So remaining we just put is 0. Here we have written the old point x as it is. Here y as a 1. Here x shy. So shy is here. That here we are writing y. Let's we cross verify. 1 into x x, 0 into y 0. So we obtain the x dash. Now x into shy, 1 into y plus this y dash also we have been obtained. In homogeneous coordinates representation with respect to y axis, we have to write all the matrix form as it is. Along with that we are going to add one dimension. So 1 we will write here, remaining thing we fill it with the zeros. Okay, now x y 1. So this is the homogeneous coordinate representation y axis. Now for y shearing we are going to see the same example. See here the previous example we have seen that 0 comma 0. Then here the coordinates we have taken 2 comma 0. Here 0 comma 2, 2 comma 2. These 4 coordinates, the same square in shape we have taken as a example before shearing. After the shearing with respect to y axis, what will be happen? Let's we see the same. Let's we take a first point 0 comma 0. Here x 0, y also 0. When we apply these values in the given equation, we obtain the result also 0 comma 0. Let's we move on to next point, that is 0 comma 2. Here x also 0, y is 2. So here x dash is equal to x. So we have substituted x dash is equal to 0. Then y dash is equal to the value is y. Y is equal to 2 plus 2, that is shy, that is shearing parameter 2. 2 into 0, the value is 0. Y dash is equal to 2. Here 0 comma 2 becomes here also 0 comma 2. Now we are going to take a next point 2 comma 0. Here x is 2, so x dash also 2. Y dash is equal to y is equal to 0 plus sharing parameter 2, x also 2. 2 into 2 4. Now 2 comma 0 becomes 2 comma 4. Next we are moving the last coordinate 2 comma 2. Now x dash is equal to here x. So x dash is equal to 2. Y dash is equal to y also 2 plus sharing parameter 2 into x also 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now 2 comma 2 becomes 2 comma 6. Let's we plot this point, the given picture 0 comma 0, 0 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Now we obtained the skewing image or distorted image. Let us after shearing. based on y axis.